Japan has been captivating travelers since it first opened up to international trade in 1853. While its many traditions and cultural landmarks persist, Japan is also one of the leading economic and technological centers of the world. In this video, we will share some of the facts about Japan you will find intriguing. Before that, make sure to subscribe the channel. Let's start the video. The world's oldest company is in Japan. Kongo Gumi is the oldest operating business in the world, established in 578. It specializes in the construction of temples and shrines. It is the 11th largest population in the world. An estimated 126 million people live in Japan. Since 2011, Japan's population has been noticeably declining, mostly due to low birth rates. Some say it is due to expensive childcare and the difficulty of finding well-paying jobs. The Japanese live, almost, the longest. Second only to Hong Kong, the life expectancy in Japan is 84, which is 3 years higher than in the United Kingdom. There is one vending machine for every 24 people. With 5 million vending machines, Japan has the highest density in the world. Batteries, ramen, sake, umbrellas, flowers, you name it, and the vending machines probably stock it. Nearly half their zippers worldwide are made in Japan. If you check your zipper, chances are, it will say YKK on it, which stands for Yoshida Kogyo Kabushiki Keisha. Founded in Tokyo in 1934, it is estimated that 7 billion zippers are produced by this manufacturer each year. Japanese melons can cost you over $200. Why are melons in Japan so expensive? These precious fruits play a large role in the country's gift-giving culture. Samurai would offer tangerines or melons to their shogun as a token of appreciation. Nowadays, farmers meticulously tend to these fruits by hand, which adds to the allure. Crown melons are one of the most renowned varieties and can cost over $200 each. Japan imports over 80% of Jamaica's annual coffee production. The coffee known as Blue Mountain, grown in Jamaica's namesake region, is highly sought after. Only grown on small family-run plantations, at elevations of over 7,000 feet, this gourmet coffee boasts mild flavors and lacks the bitterness found in most coffees. It once had the world's largest fish market. Tsukiji Fish Market in Tokyo was the largest wholesale fish and seafood market in the world, famous for its tuna auctions. In 2018, a portion of it moved to a new site in Toyosu, where it reopened as Toyosu Market. They have a meat dish made of horse. Basashi is a popular regional Japanese dish, consisting of raw horse meat slices with ginger and onions. Entranceways of Japanese houses called genkan signal where you should take off your shoes with the help of its raised floors. The lower area indicates where you should remove your shoes, and the raised upper area, often in a different type of flooring, is considered indoor living space. Referred to as teikomoki and sometimes known as hookah, male geishas were jesters of sorts. It wasn't until 25 years after their glory days that women, then known as geiko arts child, outnumbered the working teikomoki. Slurping your noodles isn't rude. Quite the opposite. Slurping loudly in Japan is considered evidence of enjoying your meal. It is also said to add flavor to the noodles. Solo dining is common. Hailed as the solo dining capital of the world, Japan's shrinking population combined with an increase of single-person households has meant requesting a table for one quite the norm. Over 80% of Japan is mountainous. This hilly terrain includes over 100 active volcanoes, making up roughly 10% of all active volcanoes in the world. The landscape makes for excellent skiing and wandering.